Winter penguins. As a reminder, for today you will need either markers or crayons, and if it's okay with your grown-up, you can also use a paintbrush, tissue, and a cup of water. Today we are going to be adding the color to our background. And so what we're going to do is we are going to start by filling in the background, and we are going to be using warm and cool colors on our penguin project. And so I want to show you how we can make a color sky using our warm colors. Now there are lots and lots of ways to do this, but I'm going to do it using some cool swirl lines. So I'm going to take my marker and kind of swirl my lines around. I like this because it kind of reminds me of the wind. Your lines don't have to be perfect, we just want to try our best. I did some red swirls, so now I'm going to move on to orange and yellow. There are two ways that you could finish up your sky. If you wanted to, you could choose a warm colored crayon to fill in around it. That's what I'm going to do on this side. I will try and fill in all the white space of my sky with my crayon, in addition to the marker that I already used. If a grown-up says it's okay, another thing you could try is blending your marker with a paintbrush and water. To do this, get your paintbrush just a little bit wet and then go over your marker carefully. You can see that your red, orange, and yellow marker will start to blend together. This is one of my favorite ways to make backgrounds. The next thing we're going to do is add some cool colors to the snow. To do this, I'm going to add some blue lines. If you have different kinds of blue, you could add different kinds of blue if you wanted. You could also add a little purple if you wanted to. Remember, we're sticking to the cool colors because our penguin will be standing on snow and ice. Again, if you wanted to, you could blend these together more using a crayon. In this case, I'll do the crayon on this side. Or if it's okay with the grown-up, you can also blend this part using water and a paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush, you can also do this using a Kleenex. I dip my Kleenex into the water and gently smear the color around on my paper. Don't get your Kleenex too wet, just a little. Next time we will work on coloring our penguin. There is nothing to turn in for today. Please work on finishing your background so you're ready to color your penguin next time. Ask a grown-up to help you find a good place to keep your art until next time. For next art class, you will again need to have markers or crayons to color your penguin with. Have fun adding the background to your winter penguin.